Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your favorite tech tips and solutions channel. Today, we are diving into a feature that makes your Samsung phone feel like your personal assistant. 6 must-know Bixby routines for Samsung. No, Bixby won't make your morning coffee yet, but it can make your phone smarter without you lifting a finger. No need for Bixby voice either. These routines are like having a personal butler living inside your phone. Here's what we will cover. 1. Protect your phone's battery, because your phone deserves a break too. 2. Nighttime power saving. Let your phone sleep smarter, not harder. 3. Hands-free driving mode. Keep your hands on the wheel and of those means. 4. Wind down for bed. Help your phone chill out before bedtime. 5. Stay unlocked at home. Why make your phone act like Fort Knox at home? 6. Separate Bluetooth app sound. Party music on the speaker. Social media drama on the down low. So let us get started. Number 1. Protect your phone's battery. If your phone battery had feelings, it would beg you to use this routine. Save your battery from the horrors of overcharging. Open Bixby Routines and Tap Plus. Set the if condition to battery level greater than or equal 99%. For the then action, choose Protect Battery and turn it on. Name it something fun like Save My Battery Life, then tap Save. Boom! Your battery will thank you with longer life. No flowers required. Number 2. Nighttime power saving. Forget to charge your phone before bed? No worries. This routine saves your battery like a true night owl. Steps. Tap the plus icon. Set the if condition to time period 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. and make sure charging status is equal to not charging. Add this, then actions. Turn on power saving. Reduce screen brightness to 5%, basically flashlight mode for ants. Turn up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services. Tap Done, name the routine, and tap Save. Now your phone will snooze right along with you, but without draining power. Number 3. Hands-free driving mode. No one wants to be that person fumbling with their phone while driving. Stay hands-free and distraction-free with this routine. Steps. Tap the plus icon and set the if condition to Bluetooth device connected like your car's Bluetooth. Add these 10 actions. Turn off Wi-Fi. You are not using it anyway. Turn on mobile data. Turn on mobile hotspot. Optional. Your passengers will love you. Read notifications aloud so you don't miss that we need milk text. Tap Done. Name the routine and tap Save. Now your phone's got your back while you keep your eyes on the road. Number 4. Wind down for bed. Bedtime vibes only. This routine turns your phone into a mellow, blue light free zone. Steps. Tap plus and set the if condition to time period 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. Set these 10 actions. Set screen brightness to 10%, perfect for vampire vision. Turn on eye comfort shield, goodbye blue light, or screen orientation to portrait mode. Turn off mobile data, optional, because sleep is sacred. Tap Done, name the routine, and tap Save. Drift off into dreamland with a phone that won't keep you up all night. Number 5. Stay unlocked at home. Let's be real. Unlocking your phone 50 times at home is a first world problem. This routine makes life easier. Steps. Tap plus and set the if condition to connected to Wi-Fi. Choose your home network. Add these 10 actions. Keep phone unlocked. Turn off mobile data, optional. Tap Done, name the routine, and tap Save. Now your phone knows when it's home sweet home, just like your dog. Number 6. Separate Bluetooth app sound. Ever blasted TikTok sounds through a party speaker by accident? Yeah, this routine prevents that embarrassment. Steps. Tap plus and set the if condition to Bluetooth device connected, your speaker. Set then action to separate app sound under sounds and vibration. Choose apps like Instagram or TikTok to keep their sounds on your phone. Tap Done, name the routine, and tap Save. Now your music stays on the speaker and your social media sounds stay private. Party on, stress-free. And that's it. With these 6 Bixby routines, your Samsung phone becomes the ultimate personal assistant, minus the attitude. If this video made your phone life better, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wireless Solutions, and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you into the next one. Stay connected and stay awesome, my friends. Goodbye for now.